Hey everybody, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop, and today I stopped by Dollar Tree and found myself a bunch of stuff that I needed and stuff that I thought would be helpful to get my craft room done. So I thought I would share with you what I found. You can never go wrong at Dollar Tree for tissue paper. I mean, you get a lot. You get 25 sheets out of each, $1 each. So that's a good deal. I found some paint brushes, just $1. They're cheap. They're probably not worth anything, but they'll work for things that like glue or whatever I might need, and I can just throw them away. Not a big deal. I also found some black, silver, and white glitter, which I don't think they've had that there before. If they have, I don't remember. They had some really pretty vases, and since I am loving pink right now, I got me a pink. And of course, if you've ever been in Dollar Tree, you know that they have a wonderful display of fake flowers. So I got me several different ones. I'm going to use these to decorate my room with too, I hope. I love this. They have a lot of cute, one says follow your arrow, which kind of goes along with my name, Crafty Aims Workshop. So always aiming for craftiness and different types of crafts. Sink mats, but you can do all kinds of crafty things with them. And then I found some cute little bumblebee pins. I don't know if froggy ones. Those are really cute. They've got my favorite type of tape, which is that transparent Scotch tape. They have some real pretty fans. Go that way with it. This one glitters. I don't know if you can see that. Two of them. I'm going to take these to work. Then I found these. I'm really excited about this. Maybe they've had them there. I don't have a clue. I don't really pay attention, I guess. But they have some fake Lego stuff. Those are the plates. And some Legos. But they're not Legos. They're called Pop Blocks. Oh, here's some more what do you call them? Push pins. Those are little flowers. I thought that would be really cute. Organizer pans, or whatever you want to call them. And I like to put washi tape. Use these for washi tape. Acrylic organizers with lids. These are, there's 3 sections and then a lid. I found this. I haven't seen this there before. I've seen the bigger ones, but I haven't seen this one. So I got one of those to use to organize my room with. I got some more tissue paper because I'm always giving people gifts and things like that. So there's not as many pieces in this, but these are more decorative. But these are 6 sheets per bag. And they have different colors. These are the ones I chose. And I like the ones that are glittery or shiny. And I got this. This is the Flamingo Solar Dancing Flamingo. I got this because my sister-in-law is all about flamingos, so I might stick that in my car and let it do its wing thing that it does. And then I found some cool fashion pins for my journals that I make. I'll just put those with my journal. I got some coffee creamer, Coffee Mate, just $1. And they're small size. I like that because it'll fit in my locker or whatever. So totally recommend Dollar Tree. There's a lot of name brands in there, and then not name brands, but they're sometimes just as good, sometimes not. So I hope you guys have a great day, and like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more wonderful videos. And I will see you next time, guys. Bye!